Hey, what's up, guys? Here we go with the mini. Let's go live. It is 7:21 p.m. Let's go this way and grab the names. To here. Paste that in. We got Eric, Chris, Blair, followed by at the bottom Chris and Eric. Eric, Chris, and Blair, and Chris and Eric at the bottom. Alright, so here we go. We'll roll the dice, two-side die, and begin the giveaway. And thanks, guys. And let's try and fill up that main as well. Maybe we can give that away this week. So good luck, everybody. So we got seven. Let's add that in here. Dice roll of 7. All right. Begin the giveaway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. And final round. So we got Eric, Blair, Dusty, and Eric. Congratulations, you guys. Got timestamp in there and the verification code. I'll open that up. Copy that. Done. Timestamp is 7:23. So congratulations again. And we'll randomly put those. I guess we can. You guys can pick your spots in the main in the order that you won. So Eric first, Blair, then Dusty, and then Eric. If you guys want to pick your spots in the main, go ahead. And we'll try and get that main filled up and give away a prize. So thanks, guys. Cheers.